Sun Country Airlines Review. Pricing explained: what you get for your money. Sun Country Airlines isn't just a low-cost carrier. You won't believe how its pricing structure works in practice. Most people get this wrong by assuming the base fare covers everything. The surprising truth is Sun Country offers customizable options, letting you pay only for what you need while keeping fares competitive. Ticket prices start around for short domestic flights, but this is just the base fare. Checked bags, seat selection, and onboard meals are extra. You won't believe how this affects total cost. Adding one checked bag can be priority boarding and seat selection depending on location. Even so, savvy travelers can bundle options for convenience without paying for unnecessary extras. Most people get this wrong by comparing Sun Country to traditional airlines' all-inclusive fares. The real value comes from flexibility and transparency. For example, travelers can book the cheapest fare and add only the services they use, often saving hundreds compared to a fully bundled fare elsewhere. Seasonal promotions and loyalty discounts add extra savings. In conclusion, Sun Country Airlines pricing is straightforward if you understand the optional fees. By evaluating base fares, add-ons, and seasonal deals, you go from zero to pro in understanding what you truly pay for. It's more than a ticket, it's a flexible, cost-conscious travel solution.